Hey guys, welcome back. I hope everyone's doing well. This is our part 2 character animation. Main focus will be just creating the animation for the character we created. We'll be doing 3 animation: idle, walking, and jumping. Alright, let's get started. So first thing we need to do is create a folder called animation. So right click, create folder, call it animations. The next thing we need to is access the animation panel. So in order to do that, you go to Windows, Animation, and then Animations. Yeah, let's click on a player first before create the animation, or else you'll be creating animation for something else that is selected. So click on the character and create, and then it should be under animation folders, and create the idle animation. So once that is done, make sure character is selected, and then what we're going to do is click on the record button, start recording. So now we're going to do the idle animation. Okay, first thing I will do is set everything to initial position. So set this. Alright, so I'll reduce the frame rate. 60 is, it's too fast. I'll say 20. It depends on your animation. Then I'm gonna skip another one, and then I'm gonna, first thing that I would do is make him just move his head a bit, body like going up and down, whatever you need, right? So I'm just gonna shift his head. I don't want to rotate it. Let's put it up a little. Okay. And then put it back to initial position. Copy this. And then also we can just rotate his hand a bit too. So let's just increase speed. So perfect. You can see it's a bit too fast, so 10. Give it 10. That's too slow. 15 maybe. Yeah, the hand is a bit weird. I guess just keep it not moving too much. Like the body is moving a bit too. I'm not sure why. You know what? So I kind of fast forwarded and fixed the issue. It takes time, so I don't want to record all that. So it looks right now like it's not perfect, but I'm kind of satisfied. Alright, once you're done, click stop record. So you're good. I also created the walking animation. So walking, it's alright, just gonna take time to fix everything. So I just left it. It looks like it's floating, but it's fine for now. Alright, let's create a jump one. Create a new clip, call it jump. Set the initial position. Okay, when he jumps, I'm not gonna do it the actual animation. I'm just gonna make it a one static, so I wouldn't need the whole motion of jumping. You can make the whole motion of jumping, but what I'll do is on this first frame I will do all the pose. So he jumps. Let's get his hand. Good, I think that's about it. I think should be satisfied. So once we've done all our animation, make sure the animator, there should be an controller here. It automatically should create a controller for you when you start creating an animation for the character. If you don't see a link, you can just drag it from the animation and drop it here. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we'll need to create a rigid body for it. 2D rigid body. And we need to create a collider. I'll use the capsule collider. Let's go back to it. See, the pose kind of still stayed because I had the animation jumping selected. So we have the capsule collider, and if you need to edit, you can click on the edit collider, or you can use the value and set it yourself. I would just use this and then set it. This is good, it's perfect. And then we need to do is we need to go to animator. So animator under Windows, animation, animate. So animator should have 3 animation: idle, walking, and jump. And by default, your initial by default stage should be idle. As you can see, it should be pointing to idle. And then we will. And then if we click play, it should be playing the idle animation. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. We will continue next one, part 3, be the final tutorial for the animation character. We'll work on the actual character scripting and how to control the walking and the jumping and the idle animation by script. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video.